How to prune a yucca plant. Yucca plants are great indoor plants, but they can grow too tall and need to be pruned to fit. You will need a yucca plant, a saw or loppers, water, and light. Step 1. Remove the yucca from its container if it gets too tall. Pruning isn't necessary for outdoor yuccas, but you can use the same pruning method there as well. The best time to prune yuccas is in the early spring, just before they enter their growth period. Step 2. Determine where the halfway mark is on the yucca's trunk. Step 3. Cut the trunk in half at your mark using a saw or a pair of loppers. Step 4. Place the bottom, rooted portion of the plant back in the container or in the ground if you're planting it outdoors. Step 5. Water the yucca well, making sure it gets plenty of light while it's recovering. Before you know it, your plant will be producing new leaves and will be looking as healthy as ever. Did you know? Yuccas, which are cane plants, store water and nutrients in their stems and release them slowly as they need them.